Umaliring si Lovie Poe sa bago niyang pelikula. Mas mapangahas daw ngayon ang love scene ni Lovie kasamang leading man niyang si Benjamin Alves. Kaya naman ang kapuso Hank, aminadong na-conscious daw sa eksena. Yan ang chika ni Lars Santiago.
Ang akala ni Lovie Poe, pinakamatinding love scene na niyang magagawang eksena niya sa My Neighbor's Wife kasama si Dennis Trillo. Hindi raw niya akalain na mas magiging mapangahas siya sa love scene nila ng kapuso actor na si Benjamin Alves sa pelikula nilang Guni-Guni. Pero natutuwa raw si Lovie na naging maayos ang paggawa nila ni Benjamin ng kanilang love scene.
He was relaxed naman himself and he was pretty game naman, so wala namang we try not to be shy. I feel like it is more than what I did in My Neighbor's Wife, I guess. But kasi kailangan siya sa eksena.
Aminado si Benjamin na nangkuna ng intimate scene nila ni Lovie. Sobra siyang na-conscious.
Lovie is so pretty and endearing. So who wouldn't be conscious? Especially, kailangan po talagang yung hindi naman po na-conscious, I guess, because she's really pretty but and nice.
Nagpapasalamat naman si Benjamin na sa pelikulang ito ay si Lovie ang kanyang kapareha. Puring-puri niya si Lovie dahil hindi raw ito mahirap katrabaho kahit pa sa mga eksenang maselan tulad ng love scene.
Thankful ako na she was patient. Alam niya, so it was okay. I think we were both challenged by it, but we're here now. And that's great, and I think the audience will like those scenes.
Lars Santiago, updated sa Showbiz sa Penang.